Hello. My name is Luke. I am a boy. I am 10 years old. I live in a small town. My town is nice and quiet. I have a big family. I have a mom, a dad, and 2 sisters. My sisters are Anna and Bella. They are twins. They are 6 years old. Every morning, I wake up early. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I eat breakfast with my family. We eat eggs and bread. Sometimes, we eat fruit. After breakfast, I go to school. My school is near my house. I walk to school with my friends. My best friend is Tom. Tom is very funny. He tells jokes and makes me laugh. We sit together in class. Our teacher is Mrs. Green. She is very kind. She helps us learn new things. We learn math, reading, and writing. We also learn about the world. After school, Tom and I play in the park. The park is big. It has many trees and flowers. We like to play soccer. Tom is good at soccer. He scores many goals. I try to score too. We also play on the swings. We swing high and laugh. In the evening, I go home. I do my homework. My mom helps me. After homework, we eat dinner. We eat rice and chicken. Sometimes, we eat pasta. After dinner, we watch TV. We like to watch cartoons. My favorite cartoon is about a superhero. He saves people and fights bad guys. On weekends, we have fun. On Saturdays, we visit my grandparents. They live on a farm. The farm is big. It has cows, chickens, and sheep. I like to feed the animals. My grandpa tells me stories. He knows many stories. Some are funny, and some are scary. I like the funny stories. On Sundays, we go to the beach. The beach is beautiful. The sand is soft and white. The water is blue and clear. I like to swim in the water. My sisters play with sand. They make sand castles. My dad helps them. My mom reads a book. She likes to read. One day, something special happened. I found a small dog. The dog was alone. It was near my house. It was brown and white. It looked hungry and sad. I took the dog home. I gave it food and water. The dog was happy. My family liked the dog. We named it Max. Max is now my best friend. Max and I play every day. We run and jump. We have many adventures. One day, we went to the forest. The forest is near the park. It has tall trees and many animals. We saw birds, squirrels, and rabbits. We walked and explored. It was fun. Another day, we went to the river. The river is wide and deep. We saw fish swimming. We saw boats on the water. We sat by the river and watched. It was peaceful. In winter, it snows. I like snow. Max likes snow too. We play in the snow. We make snowmen and snowballs. We have snowball fights. It is very cold, but it is fun. We drink hot chocolate after. It is sweet and warm. In spring, flowers bloom. The air is fresh. Birds sing in the trees. Max and I go to the garden. We see many flowers. We smell the flowers. They are beautiful. In summer, it is hot. We go to the lake. The lake is cool and refreshing. We swim and splash. We have picnics by the lake. We eat sandwiches and fruits. It is a happy time. In autumn, leaves fall. The leaves are red, yellow, and orange. They cover the ground. Max and I play in the leaves. We jump and roll. It is very colorful. Life is full of adventures. Every day is special. I love my family, my friends, and Max. I am happy and thankful. This is my story. Thank you for listening.